Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership quickly. Open accounts. Google com/signin and choose Forgot Password. Enter the account address and follow prompts. When asked, provide the most recent password you remember. Once done, select the recovery phone or email option and request the code. Make sure to check spam folders and alternate devices immediately. If a prompt asks about when you created the account, answer as accurately as possible. Specific dates and locations greatly increase success rates. Once you have the code, input it and proceed to verify identity questions. These are weighted, so answer truthfully and in detail. If prompted to confirm a device, choose one you frequently use to sign in. Should automatic verification fail, use the Try Another Way option to access the account recovery form where you provide past passwords and account activity. Make sure to use a stable network and avoid VPNs. Google flags unusual locations and may deny recovery if it detects inconsistency. You finish by setting a strong, unique password and applying it across devices. Do this right away so cached sessions update. Once reset, enable two-step verification and add or confirm a recovery phone and email to prevent future issues. Make sure to review recent security events and remove unfamiliar devices or apps. If you still cannot unlock the account, use the account recovery form, gather screenshots or billing info tied to the account, and retry. Persistence and consistent details improve your chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.